Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have got for you another gorgeous card using the Ombré celebration papers that are going to be coming available for you to earn for free in the month of January. So celebration this year, our first of two celebrations, is going to run from January the 5th to February the 28th. This is the most exciting time for Stampin' Up! For customers as well as us as demonstrators, because as customers, you are able to get free items for every $60 that you spend, including stamp sets and papers. There's 8 different options for you. As demonstrators, for those who want to sign up for the starter kit, this is the best time to join. There's always no pressure with me, of course, but you are going to get 5 packages of our 6x6 DSP papers. So that is 120 sheets of gorgeous papers that you will get for free in your starter kit, plus your $165 worth of product, and all you pay is $135. No shipping, no taxes, as easy as that. So the papers are definitely a bonus during celebration. If you want more info, please let me know. I have got a fabulous group of ladies and we have a lot of fun, and we would love for you to join us. Okay, so on with our project for today. I am going to be using brand new products from the Mini Catalogue. So this is launching at the same time as celebration and will run from January until June. Full of amazing stuff. So featured today is our Dragonfly Garden bundle, which includes this gorgeous stamp set and the punch, coordinating punch. The Ombré papers we're using is a celebration item you could get for free when you pay when you spend $60. But we're also going to be showing you how you can use these ombre papers in your embossing folders, and they look gorgeous. So I'm going to introduce to you, this is my favorite new embossing folder, and it is from the new Mini Catalogue. So this is the painted texture 3D embossing folder. It is a very deep embossing folder, and it is got a gorgeous effect on the papers, especially the ombre ones. So you'll see that in a second. Okay, so let's get started with our project. If you didn't already catch my first card using the ombre, then you're going to want to look back on my playlist for Celebration 2021, and you will find the first card we did, which is equally beautiful. These are the ombre papers, just a closer look. You've got 4 different colors. You've got the plain ombre as well as the patterned ombre, and they are double-sided. So you get 48 pieces, which is a lot of paper for you to create with. So you guys are going to definitely enjoy these different ideas of what you can do with them. All right, so let's get in my pieces I'm gonna need. I have got a cardstock base of gray granite. I am pulling in one of the ombre pieces of paper that has the gorgeous pattern to it. I have got this gorgeous green one, which is the plain. And then I have got one die cut. Now I'm trying to remember what this one is from. It is the one that coordinates with our poppy pattern. It'll come to me eventually, but I love it. It's got this gorgeous little swirl, and it's just the perfect backdrop for this dragonfly. I'm going to be using another new little sneak peek. These are the matte black dots. I love them. I've been waiting for some black dots. So these are the new ones that are available in the catalog. Okay, so this card goes together fairly quickly, but I just wanted to show you what gorgeous look the embossing folders take on these papers take on when you run them through an embossing folder. So let's get our base done here. Okay, just like that. Now, I'm not going to bother bringing in my new embossing machine right now because I just want to show you what this looks like. But I'm going to put this into my embossing folder. Okay, I would run that through, and what you are going to end up with, let me see, I do have it here somewhere. Let me see. Here it is right here. So I want to show you the difference. That's why I wanted to have one plain. So here is the difference. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So this is that embossing folder, and all I've done is I've taken that ombre and I have put it through the folder, and it has gone from this, let's see, let's get it the right direction so you can really get the full effect, from this to this. Isn't that amazing? This, I love this folder. It looks like you've just like spackled the whole piece of that paper. So that is the effect that you get when you run these ombre papers through an embossing folder. It really is gorgeous. It takes on a whole new look. Okay, so let's finish off this card. It is quick and easy. I'll just pull this one in, and we are going to continue on with putting down our beautiful circle here. Like that. Little liquid glue. Now I'm going to get a piece of ombre blue, and I am going to cut out a gorgeous, let's see, that's not the color that I want. I wonder if I have enough on there. I don't think I do. So let's grab a new one. Done. There we go. I'm going to stamp our butterfly in Memento, which is the black that I use for everything. I'm going to use the dragonfly that has the solid body to it. And I'm going to do one that is, let's see here. Shall we do lighter? Yeah, let's do a lighter blue color. So I'm going to pull it in from this area rather than the darker area. So you can pick and choose how light and dark you want that ombre dragonfly to be. And then I'm just going to pop it into our punch. Now let's see. Of course I did it too far up. So let me just trim this. I wanted a little bit more blue color and right on the edge. So let's trim it. So there we go. Perfect. So I just have to line that up. Now it's always best to stamp first and then punch second when you're using these punches. And that way you can have a look and line it up perfectly and see where it is within your punch when you punch it. Hope that makes sense. Okay, now I am going to add a little bit, you end up with this little baby dragonfly. I think we need to add that on the card as well. I didn't have that on my original, but I think we need to use it. I'm going to pull in my Wink of Stella, which is just a little pen of like fairy dust. It is fabulous. And I'm just going to basically, all you need to do, give it a little squeeze that gets more of the fairy dust goodness into the tip here. There we go. And you just color over wherever you want it to go. It adds a gorgeous sheen of sparkle. Oh, look at that. I am going to hold this up close. I think we need to do the baby one too. If we're going to add this baby one to the card somewhere, it has to be sparkly as well. So I will show you once I get it glued on here. I'm going to pop it up. So let's grab those pop dots. And we will add that in. So you can see how gorgeous this ombre pattern paper is to the back, but then how beautiful it looks when you stamp those dragonflies. Now, you have to check that out. Look at the sheen on there from that Wink of Stella. Wink of Stella is one of those things. It is just a must-have in your little basic kit. I keep mine in my basic kit that I take everywhere with me. Okay, it's like pixie dust. You got to have a little bit on your card. So I'm going to add a little sing, and I've already stamped this one and just cropped it a little bit. And we're going to put "Thank you for your kindness" right here. Perfect. Now let's bring in those matte dots, and then I'm going to decide where I want this little dragonfly to go after. So I'm going to add a little bit of these. Actually, we've got both sizes, so I'm going to pull in a little tiny one down here. I like that one better. Right there, that's perfect. But I think we definitely need to add this little baby somewhere. So I'm going to place it, I think, right down here. Perfect. Have it popped off the lighter color. And there we have our second ombre card. And again, you can see how using a little bit of texture with those ombre papers make it absolutely stunning. Okay, so thank you for joining me for the second card of my Oso Ombre series. I will do another one for you coming up. So please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, have a look at my other videos that I've got for Celebration 2021, so you know which items you're going to want to get your hands on when you place those orders. And if your order is over $90, you are shopping within Canada through my online store, I am going to not only are you going to place your order, you may even want to get the stamp set and punches as part of that $60 and earn these papers for free. But if your order hits $90, then I am going to mail you out these pastel pearls, which are brand new to the new catalog. I'm going to mail those out as a loyalty gift, as a thank you. Okay, so I always have one every month, different host code every month. This is the one for January. So place those orders and you will get those pearls mailed from me as a gift. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for tuning in. I will be coming up next with another gorgeous ombre card for you. We are going to do some coloring on ombre and do a whole background in color. So you can see what that's going to look like next. I hope you'll tune in and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye.